What up? What up? What up? Yo, I'm going to show you something awesome today. Oh man, guess what? This is one of the, I don't know, one of the oldest programs that I've been involved with. Um, back in, I think it was December, January timeframe, I started looking for extraordinary programs that, great passive income programs. Some of them had pretty good ROI, daily returns. And it became like a really like a treasure hunt of sorts. And you would find some good ones out there. You find some that don't work, do work, never really knew what you're going to get. But funny thing, I was in a program and another guy that I kind of followed was in the same program. And so one day I'm watching this video and the guy was Cash Flow Legacy, right? His name is David. So he was doing his video and the video said, how to make $1 million in 16 months or something like that. So I'm like, yeah, right. I said, you know what, let me check this out. I like the guy, we was in the same program together. And so I said, all right, let me check it out. So I take a look and it was DHF, right? Decentralized Hedge Fund. And he was showing how he was using this program to support another program. And this was kind of like the hub of sorts that he would basically recycle profits and basically divvy it out. And so while he was building multiple streams, then this was kind of that hub that filtered money different directions. And I was like, man, that's pretty cool. So of course, I went on and jumped in. And I don't think I looked at it a couple of times, but I talked about it. It was part of my program to basically get to 1K per day. And I talked to a lot of people about, what I was doing and my direction and where I was going with the 1K per day program. And so things started to really work out really well with other programs. I just totally forgot about Decentralized Hedge Fund or DHF. I hadn't even looked at this thing in, I would say at least March, maybe April, maybe. I don't know. I don't even remember. I've looked at the link and I've looked at like in my book, with my passwords and stuff like that, my different websites. And so I see it, but I just keep forgetting to at least go check. So today, guess what? I said, I am going to go in there and I'm going to talk to people about DHF because I haven't done that in a long time. So everybody that's watching, brace yourself because this is my first time seeing it too, in a very long time. And I'm pretty excited. One, because it's still here. You know how we've seen a lot of programs come and go, but this one is, it's low maintenance, low risk, nice returns on a monthly basis. You just can't, it's amazing what's going on with this. All right, so check it out. Decentralized Hedge Fund, the future is here. I know, I like programs that say the future is something. So here we go. And earn an average of 10% a month based on a performance and DHFT, which is their tokens. And you get referral rewards by investing in a decentralized hedge fund autonomously ran by AI or artificial intelligence. I know some people are like, oh, I want some human bodies up in there. Well, guess what? Decentralized finance is all about AI and blockchain, of course. So the beauty of this program is it is run by blockchain, AI, and Autobots. It is fascinating. Those are the three things I love about decentralized finance. And I just can't wait to dive in and give you a little more information on what is going on here. All right, so special features. Okay, DHF technology. They talk about the experience. DHF is the result of 12 years of experience based on continuous processing of planning, analyzing, continuous improvement, and reproduction of all of those things. Decentralized. Blockchain technology is like DNA as it uses cryptography, mathematics, and has qualities that are transparent, secure, efficient, and immutable. Yes. So basically saying it can't be changed. That's immutable. AI technology, artificial intelligence, is programmed to gather enormous amounts of data, big data, records the decision-making process on the blockchain, a further step towards transparency. So what they're saying is, from the experience to decentralization to AI, it is a peer-to-peer, person-to-person. It has no regulatory body that's meddling inside, trying to be a clearinghouse or trying to control your funds or your trading or your money. This right here is a purely autonomous technology-driven trading, high profit, continuous profit, low risk, long-term opportunity with less friction than any other financial institution that you will ever come across. This is the place that you want to be. Wow, this is great. Now, don't get me wrong. This is a low risk, low maintenance program. This runs on autopilot. There's no active, working on this. So this is just that passive income that sits over there, and you look at it like, 12 months down the road and you're like, oh my gosh, who put that big old lump of sum over there? This is what that's about. I still have my primary programs. I still have the crypto future. I still, really, really am adamant about the success of Saphir Global and Zanique. So don't worry. This is just that other program that's been running in the background. And hey, I'm making money, and we'll see how much that is in a minute. So this is what we're working with right now. It's the right time for cryptocurrency investment. I can't agree with you more. So what does he say here? DHF offers an average of 10% monthly, yes, on the systematic investments, surplus, the compound interest on profits. You get $20 referral bonus or benefit when you refer somebody. And imagine all that while having your morning coffee. So basically, it's just saying this is autopilot. Like all of this happens behind the scenes. AI, blockchain just controls the whole thing. Boom. And you can just go over there, have your cup of coffee, chilling, take your kid to school, go hang out at the golf course, whatever you want to do. Just check your account once a month, make sure everything is good to go. There's a 1% transaction fee. There's 10% AI fee. And this one has better flexibility and improved security. So works for me. And bam, DHF profit from inception. Well, now DHF has been around for a long time. I have to go back, and in there they show when they started. But this is from the beginning of the year, just so you know. The information, the 251% is from the beginning of January. But they do have statistics from before that. So I know they've been around longer than January because I've seen the information. But for January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and up to August, 251% return on your investment. That's how they're rolling. Okay. The maximum I think they said you can get is like 1,900% over the 12 months. So something like that. All right, so we're looking at some of the value things that they want to let us know about DHF and what they do. Financial growth, understanding long-term perspective, transparent trading, cloud computing, and trusted technology. We know about the technology. So let's see the trading, transparent trading. You may check daily closed trades with details like the date, time, pairs, ROE, and P&I. Interesting. That's a good idea. So how about we check out the trading, and we will first, what are the steps to get started? How does this work? Looks like about 3 steps. Create an account, makes sense. Start trading, makes sense. Start earning. Boom. Is that it? That's it. So when they say start trading, after activating your AI trader with one-time $20 activation fee, the AI will start trading to ensure profits through your DHF statistical and analytical dashboard. Deposit and withdraw options on the panel enhance your production and keeps track of your earnings. Start earning. Artificial intelligence technology programmed with financial growth functionalities works for you continuously. Relax and let the technology work for you at its highest frequency. When you refer others to DHF, you will earn a one-time $20 DHFT referral reward. And just so you know, a lot of people don't like tokens and they got issues with that. Well, guess what? The DHF token, when you get ready to cash out, you can cash it out to BTC, Ether, or DHFT or USDT. It's a stable coin. So it's 1 for 1. So you know exactly what you're getting. Pretty cool. And this is the DHF guide right here, 5-minute guide. You can click on that, check it out. Pretty cool stuff. DHF, they're planning. They talk about bringing out cryptocurrency debit cards. I haven't seen it, but hey, if they do, they do. If they don't, they don't. But guess what? Crypto Future got some. Zenith got some debit cards. So it's all good. Okay, so the trading. So what are they talking about here? With the trading, they just showing you that the closed trades. So what they've done today is pretty much, you know, listed here. So 26, 5:11 a.m. all the way to 4:43, all the way to 11 p.m. So you have market limit. So here, they obviously said this is what we're willing to pay. Here is whatever the market says it's valued at. So they've done a little bit of both. Closing price, Bitcoin. Yeah, that's okay. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay. So it looks like they ended up with 0.3 here, 0.58, 0.1, 0.07, 0.12, 0.36. Okay. I mean, won some, they lost some. It's the way it is. All right. These, let's look at what's this all about. So Decentralized Hedge Fund, DHF, a little bit about them. They say DHF is a fully autonomous decentralized cryptocurrency hedge fund programmed for financial management and run by artificial intelligence. I like it. I like it. It says blockchain technology is like DNA as it uses cryptography mathematics and has qualities that are transparent, secure, efficient, and immutable. Artificial intelligence is becoming better equipped to gather enormous amounts of data, and blockchain technologies allow for totally new ways to transfer value within the DHF peer-to-peer network. That is what it's all about. So there's a couple of frequently asked questions that I enjoy the most. And let me find those so I can read it to you. You're gonna be like, what is going on, Rashid? It's kind of funny though, because I'm sure somebody has asked the question and was surprised at the answer. It says, why doesn't anyone own the DHF company? It says DHF runs on artificial intelligence technology, which owns, trade, and manages itself autonomously. DHF is a decentralized platform on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, that wasn't enough. Let's try again. Who runs the system? The technology behind the working of DHF is artificial intelligence technology. It runs autonomously 24/7. Okay, let's try one more time because I don't think I heard you. If I have an issue, who do I contact? DHF is a technology-based solution and is the most transparent platform which is governed by no one. Wait a minute. If I have an issue, who do I contact? No one. Some people can't handle that. Some people are going like, no, bro, I'm not putting my money in a thing that I don't even have anybody I can call. Well, have no fear. There is a way you can get in touch with some people if it warrants it. If you really need to go there, we got something for you. So hold on to your hat. Don't worry about it. And it's kind of funny that they were like, no, nobody. It's autonomous. Didn't we just tell you that? All right. So here it is, my dashboard. In my back office, on the dashboard, it says that Rashid, one day you deposited some money. All right. Well, okay. Let's figure out what day that was. January 19, I started doing this. So I put some money in. I put like, what's it, $400, because like I said, DHF is a stable token. So it's 1-to-1 USDT, so on and so forth. And by the end of the month, about 10 days later, I got $21 profit. I was like, cool. All right, cool. March 1st, a month later, got 62. It's like, hey, this is not bad. You know what? What if I put more money in here? Maybe it'll work out better. So I put 900 in Bitcoin. So now I have 1,401 dollars in the system. April 1st, I got $50 profits. I was like, cool, this thing is working. And so now that I look through here, I see that May 1st, I got 134 or 135. And then somebody decided to join me. Bam. So I got a $20 referral fee, then 187. And then, wow, I guess June was a nice time. 3 people decided to jump on in. which, hey, I applaud you. Then July 1st, $182 profit. August 1st jumped up to $259. So looking really nice. And then August 6th, somebody else decided this is a good idea. And they jumped in and they got $20 on that one. So, hey, thank you, whoever you are, because look, I don't know names. I just know that it happened. This is autonomous. This is AI. They're not programmed to even say who did. So it's pretty cool. Very autonomous. All right. So all of that. Then today, what I wanted to show you was I was in here playing around earlier because I was trying to prepare for the video. And well, anyway, I recorded some things and it didn't work out as planned. So I had to re-record, which is what we're doing now. And so within a couple of hours, it looks like my deposit is in. So I deposited $1,519 in Bitcoin. So that, like I said, processed and boom, it's working for me. So I'm pretty excited about that. And we'll see what that looks like. So obviously 26, we're already at the end of the month. So I'm not going to get much off of that. But for the following month, that'll be added to my actual benefits. And here's what's interesting about this. And I'm gonna see if you kind of captured this. This is compounded every single month on autopilot. I haven't touched this account since probably January, February, maybe April, if I don't even remember. And for those 7 months, it's been doing it on its own. And as you saw, it went from $50, $20 to $50, $60, 80 to now it's over 250 per month, right? So next month it's going to go up because I just added 1,500. So now I have a total of almost 3,000 in the system that I'm using towards whatever that next payment might be. So if next payment, if the percentage that we get is, let's say it's 12%, because that's what they're showing right now. So if I got 2,900 in there now, then, and I get 12%, then that's going to look like this. Then I'm gonna get 348, right? So I just got 259. Now it boosted up to 348. And then that 348 is added to that 3,000. So now I got 3,348. Boom. Guess what happens? The month after that, that's going to calculate on top of whatever the percentage is as well. So the compounding is happening. It's pretty exciting. So by the end of the year, I could easily double what I have just because of the compounding. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about where we're going with this. One of the things that I just really enjoy is looking at this right here, because this is not common or uncommon or whatever. It's not just this. In every program, you have this. As you can tell, it says 5, right? 5 active and 12 inactive. So let's kind of put that into perspective. Here's a low risk, low maintenance, on autopilot savings account that pays you between 10 and 12% a year. I mean, a month, every month on autopilot. I've been in this thing, 7 months and looked at it, 3 times, put 3 deposits in, and I've got a profit of $898 because I've only put in there like 2,000, and I just put 1,500 in there to boost it up a little bit. Come on, guys. This is a no-brainer, right? And I don't even like hearing people say no-brainer because it makes, make you sound like you don't have any brains. This is an absolute no-brainer. You put money in, you walk away. You go to your bank account and you know it says 0.05, 0.01, 0.0 something is what you're getting from your bank. You know this. This is absolutely true. What bank is giving you 1% of anything? None of them. You put your savings in there, you put your checking account, you put whatever in your credit union, and you are not even getting 1% on it. You know this is true. There's no sugarcoating it. It's true. I'm showing you something right now that's been in existence. I haven't looked at it for 7 months, and I see it. And guess what? I've earned $898 because I'm getting an average of 10 to 11% every single month on the money that's sitting in the account. If you put 10,000 in here, think of what that would do by the end of the year. It's crazy that you're still looking at your bank account, wondering why you're only getting 0.25 cent as a profit. And you got like $4,000 in there and you're getting 40 cents. And you're still sitting there saying, oh, next month is going to be $1. But I'm averaging $100 a month and doing nothing. I can't even explain, you know, how to get you to understand this is the easiest thing in the world. So anyway, I'm loving this because it's working fine. It's falling right into place for my 1K per day program. So if you want to be down, this is the place to be. I invite you to be part of this revolution. So where do you find information to help you out? Because AI is not going to help you. So if you got, you know, some issues with not having a human, then go to your Telegram chat. There is a chat group here. It's got 1,477 members in it, and they will help you out. Now, they are not running the show either. They'll tell you that, but they at least been around long enough to help you out. You know, if there's a problem, they'll try to do whatever they can for you. But they don't control the AI. It's like I said, there's something else going on with that. But they do have some people in there that know, been around long enough to know kind of what's going on and different things that's happening. Right now, every month, this is what they do. They ask you to guess what you think the percentage rate is going to be at the end of the month for this particular month. What are they going to give us? What is going to be the return on investment? What is the interest rate? If you guess that interest rate correctly, this month, they're going to give you $7,000 worth of DHFT, which is actually $7,000 because it's based on a stable coin. So that's how that goes. Anybody that gets the closest, if it's 13% and you get 12.8, nobody else gets that close, you get the 7,000. But if you hit exactly on if it's 13% and you hit exactly 13%, guess what you're going to get? 14,000 DHFTs. Because when you hit it right on target, they double it. And that's happened before. It was like 4,500 and that person got $9,000 because they guessed exactly what the interest rate would be. This is crazy. Anyway, if you're gonna use an extra 7,000 because you guessed a number, then hey, here's your opportunity. Anyway, I invite you all to take a look at this thing, man. This is great stuff. I'm so excited that I came across this. Like I said, I'm all about crypto future. I'm all about Zenique. I'm all about those awesome programs that I'm actively working, but having something in the background running on autopilot and coming up with, you know, boom, I put in $1,400 and I got like, you know, what's this? I had 2,800 already. So today I put an extra 1,500 in, boom. Now I'm at 3,709. I'm just saying, I got a profit of 898 and I've not done anything with this program and I'm about to though. So I invite you to be part of this. You see my link right there. Guess what? I will make it bigger so that you will not miss this opportunity. All right. Well, hey, it's been fun. It's been real. And I know for a fact that you see something that you like and you will take action.